Hi, I'm Luisa, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a lily out of empty toilet paper rolls. We're going to need 6 rolls. Of course, if you don't want to use the toilet paper rolls, you can use a different type of cardboard. We're going to cut each roll in half and then flatten it. From this we're going to measure and create a perfect square. And now we can start folding it and creating the petal. If you enjoyed this kind of videos, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so you don't miss any of my next crafts. And just like that, our first petal is done. Now we're going to repeat the same process for the other 5. And now we're going to start gluing them together. Make sure you glue them in the same place, as you don't want the petals to end up being wonky. And in order to give it that lily look, we're going to bend each petal. And now for the center of the flower, we're going to use 2 of the leftover pieces. And on both of them, we're going to make cuts as thin as possible. hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and maybe even leave a comment. See you on the next one. Bye!